A pause on federal student loan payments is set to expire next Wednesday. Before then, we could hear from the White House about a plan to forgive some of that debt.
Yeah, sources say the plan could include up to $10,000 for Americans before a certain income threshold. WRTV's Meredith Hackler shows us what this could mean for borrowers.
Inflation is affecting the average American on a daily basis. According to economists, the average family is paying close to $500 more a month in household expenses. If the Biden administration forgives $10,000 in student loan debt, some experts say it could make inflation worse.
This is by all accounts, something that will be supporting demand and likely potentially having an impact when it comes to labor supply decisions that might still leave people potentially out of the market. And so, those two things in this current environment would potentially, again, make things maybe a little bit worse on the inflationary side.
Federal student loan borrowers haven't had to make payments since March of 2020. Economist Andrew Butter says while this policy could make inflation worse, it could also help those most in need.
It's very much possible and likely to be the case that the families that are going to receive this assistance are exactly the ones that are feeling the pinch almost disproportionately as a consequence of inflation.
But the founder of StudentLoanJustice.org, a grassroots organization that advocates for student loan relief, says $10,000 in forgiveness would just be the tip of the iceberg.
$30 billion in federal student loan debt alone hanging around the necks of about 1 million Hoosiers.
According to data compiled by this organization, based on the U.S. Department of Education, about 58% of borrowers weren't paying their student loans before the pandemic. The organization feels sweeping reform is needed.
If you owe less than $10,000 on your student loans, you're probably in pretty good shape. The people who are hurt worst have seen, tens of thousands of dollars in debt explode.
Other organizations like the National College Attainment Network says the cost of college needs to be addressed, like increasing federal Pell Grants.
The Pell Grant, which is the cornerstone of the federal financial aid program, used to cover 3/4 of the cost of going to public college in this country. Today, it covers less than a third.
Working for you, Meredith Hackler, WRTV.
Hundreds of you have weighed in, and it looks like student loan forgiveness could make a big impact on Central Indiana families.
We've been asking you at WRTV.com/vote now, and there is still time to vote about the impact student loan forgiveness would have on you and your family. You can find a link in the WRTV app or go to WRTV.com/vote now on your phone, computer, or tablet. We could learn as soon as tomorrow what the White House decides to do.